Did you know one small safety mistake can change a life forever? Let's learn how to stay safe. Difference between risk assessment and JSC. Risk assessment covers overall workplace or activity risks. JSC focus on specific job or task steps. Steps of JSC. Select a job to be analyzed. Break the job into steps. Identify potential hazards, determine preventive and control measures. What is job safety analysis? JSC. JSC is a systematic method that breaks a job or task into steps, identifies hazards in each step, and determines safety controls. How many types of risk assessment? There are 5 steps: identify the hazards, decide who might be harmed and how, evaluate the risk and decide precautions, record findings and implement them, review the assessment and update if necessary. What is risk? Risk is the combination of the likelihood of harm occurring and the severity of the harm. Risk is equal likelihood multiplied severity. Examples: working at height, confined space entry, wedding work. What is risk assessment? Risk assessment is a careful examination of what could cause harm at work so you can decide whether enough precautions have been taken or more controls are needed. It focuses on significant risks, not trivial ones. What is difference between risks and hazards? Hazard. Something that can cause harm. Risk. The chance that the hazard will actually cause harm. What is safety? Safety is the absence of uncontrolled hazards and unacceptable risks. It means freedom from conditions that can cause incidents or accidents. What is HSE? HSE means preventing people from being harmed by work or becoming ill by taking the right precautions and providing a safe working environment. What is health? Health is the absence of disease plus physical, mental, and social well-being. What is hazard? A hazard is anything that has the potential to cause harm or loss, such as injury to people or damage to equipment, electricity, welding, machine, nails, vibration. Subscribe for more informative videos, like, share, and comment.